Hi, this is Kim from Kimmy's Creations. Today we're going to make this cute little preemie baby newborn beanie. So I'm using a 4 millimeter yarn and a 3-weight yarn. So let's get started. So you're going to make a magic ring. You're going to chain 1 and 2, and then you're going to make 10 double crochets into the middle of it. So there's 1, 2, 3, well, the chain 2 counts as 1. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 'So it should be 11 double crochets plus the first one, which makes 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you're going to tighten the ring. And then you're going to connect to the top of the chain 2. And I used a slip stitch, and then I seen another crocheter single crochet, and it makes it look a lot neater. So you're going to do either a slip stitch into the top or a single crochet. Now you're going to chain 1, chain 2, and in that same space you're going to do another double crochet, and you're going to put 2 double crochets into each stitch. So there's 2 and then there's 2. So you're going to keep putting 2 double crochets into each space, and I will meet you at the end. Okay, I'm at my last stitch, so I will insert those last 2 double crochets. So you should have 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and including that chain 2 is 24. So you're going to go into the top and slip stitch or single crochet it to secure. And that's round 2. Round 3, you're going to chain 2. In that same stitch, you're going to put 1 more double crochet. And then in the next one, you're going to put 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, you're going to do 2 double crochets. In the next one, you're going to do 1 double crochet. So 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochets. So pause the video and I will meet you when I'm at the very end. Okay, now I'm at the very end. So you're going to put your last double crochet in there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Should have 36 stitches. Then you're going to insert into the top of that chain 2, slip stitch or single crochet, and that's 1, 2, 3 rows done. So on this one, I did 1, 2, 3, 4. I use this to see how big this is. So I just need to do one more increase to fit a preemie baby's head. And this pattern can work for any sized head for a beanie. You'll just keep going around it in increases. So chain 1, chain 2. So you're going to put one more double crochet in there. So that's 2. And then now you're going to do one double crochet and 1 double crochet. And then, so you have your 2, your 1, 1, and then you're going to put 2 in this one. 1, 2. You're going to go 1, 1, and then 2, 2. And then 1, 1, 2, 2. So then you have 1, 2, and then 3, 4. So you're going to repeat that all the way around. You're going to go double crochet, 2 double crochet. And I'll meet you at the very end. Okay, I have 2 stitches left, which will be 1 double crochet in each. That's what it looks like so far. So you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. So you'll end row 4 with 48. And then either slip stitch or you can single crochet to close the round. And then when I put it on here, it is the size that I need it to be. Which it is 3 1/4 wide or 9.5 centimeters wide. So that's as big around as I need it to be. So what I do now is I still do my chain 2, but I will not be putting the same one in there. I'm going to skip that initial where the chain stitch is, and I'll go directly to the next one. Now you're going to put 1 double crochet into each stitch around. And I will meet you back at the end of the round. Okay, I only have a few stitches left of this round, so I will finish it up with you. And that's what it looks like so far. And then when you're done, you're going to find that chain 2. You're going to go into the top of it and either slip stitch or single crochet. For the next, so for the blue one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did 6 rounds of just going all the way around. So for each round, you're going to chain 2, skip the stitch that the chain is in, and you're going to go into the next one, and you're just going to go around and around, like so. So, after the 4 increased rounds, and then the 6 non-increased rounds, this is what it will look like. And then if it's a little bit too big, you can make it so then if you want to have it a little brim, if you don't want the brim, if you want it just to sit right on the baby's head, you can measure how long you want it. So this is about 4 inches long. So I hope that this little mini tutorial on a baby hat helps. And if you would like to request a tutorial, drop it down in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe if you're not, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.